I'm Shapiro and I've been studying sound art and design. My main piece is called Unequal Harmony and it's an 8-channel diffusion installation which mirrors the realities of religion.
I thought it would be interesting to experiment with such dynamic medium, you know, the mechanics of motion of water. And the water sculpture which I've built, it was the result of 2 months of experimentation.
I've got, it's like an instrument which is played by the audience and everyone that comes to the show. I got so hung up on the semantics of improvisation because you've got to make something which is completely not prepared, but you're using an instrument that you spent the past 20, 30 years learning how to play. So I wanted to make an instrument which could be played by anyone.
I did a sound installation with radios hanging on a washing line. So it was about the lack of the woman's voice in Maltese folk songs. Men used to sing in public, in bars, while women used to sing while doing their housework.
My piece that's on display now is called UX001. Stands for user experience, and it is an exploration in sound arts and interactive arts. In this case, it's a hand which controls the amount of light which covers the sensor, and the light and the sensor affects the visuals and sound.
The tutors were great, made tons of friends. Now I'm kind of got a body of work, a portfolio of stuff which I'm really kind of personally is really proud of and pleased of.
For me, I've learned so much and this course is really diverse and yeah, it's been amazing. Really sad that it's over.